Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again with a brand new Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to install fabric modes in Minecraft. So first of all, I will need you guys to go ahead and download or basically open your browser. From there, we will need to search for a mode so you can download it. So I'm gonna use CurseForge as you can see, and then I'm gonna open the official page. Here I'm going to choose Minecraft, and from here you can find all the modes. So I'm gonna choose here modes, and from here I'm gonna filter them through the mode loaders. There is Forge, Fabric, New Forge, and Quilt. I'm gonna choose from here Fabric, and here they will show me only the modes that requires fabric. So I can choose whatever mode I would like from these modes, and here for example I can go with this one. So I'm gonna click on it, and from here I'm gonna click on files. From there, as you can see, you will find that there is fabric over here. So what I'm gonna do is to search for fabric, and we need to make sure that we have the same game version. In this case it is called 1.21.1. so let's go ahead and download this mode. So I'm gonna go for this one and click on download. Right after this happens, I'm gonna go ahead and wait a little bit until the download show up. So it's gonna take a few seconds, and as you can see, here it is. I can view it also on my downloads page. As you can see right here, I'm gonna move it to my desktop at the moment, and this is the mode that we have currently downloaded. And now guys, the next thing to do is to go ahead and download the fabric mode installer. So let's go ahead and open our browser once more and go ahead and search for fabricmc.net. From there, you're simply going to click on download and download for Windows. Now it's going to be here. I'm going to drag it up to my desktop. So the first thing that we need to do is to simply open the fabric installer. So let's open it up just by clicking on it twice, and this will open this thing for us. Now we go back. As you can notice here, we need to know the version, which is 1.21.1. so let's go ahead and search for it, 1.21.1, and here as you can see we need to fully know which loader version we need. So this is seems that it is correct. We can check it out from the mode page from here as you saw before. So this is by going back and checking from the file. So we can go files, and here it is the mode. So this is what we need to actually install. Now after we have chosen everything to be correctly done, I'm gonna click on install, and this should be it. So fabric loader for 1.21 has successfully been installed. Now what we need to do is to click right here on the modes folder, and it will take us directly to the modes folder. So the next thing to do is to drag the mode and put it right over here, and just like that we have added our mode with fabric. It's very easy and very simple. All remains to do it now is to open your Minecraft and enjoy the game. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.